Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to talk about an amazing platform that's considered as a Canva alternative where you can create your beautiful posts on social media besides creative copies. Yes, you heard him right. In one place, you can do the writing and the designing tasks for better and faster results. And really, I'm very excited to share with you this amazing platform. This website for today is simplified.com. Simplified.com. Here in this amazing platform, you can create your artificial intelligence copies for marketing campaigns, make your posts on social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and so on. You can publish them and schedule them immediately to your accounts. Here you can create your video clips for your marketing campaigns for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and much more. As you see, in one app for copywriters, graphic designers, and for video makers, and so on, as you see. And here in Simplified, you will find a lot of advantages like designing iconic marketing campaigns, as you see, okay. And here you will find the professional templates for your marketing team. Here you can create videos for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and more. Here you will find the premium stock videos, animation maker, royalty-free audio, and so on. Here you can write anything with Simplified Artificial Intelligence Writer. Here in Simplified.com, you can create an entire blog post. You can create copies for your SEO purposes. You can create marketing campaigns for Instagram, Twitter, and so on, okay? You plan and you publish all your content in one place. So in one place, you can create and publish and write anything you want. And all that for free. Yes, for free. So if I have a look at pricing plans on simplified.com, you'll find free forever $0 for graphic design, thousands of free templates, design with creative artificial intelligence assistant, unlimited design and video projects, millions of free stock photos and videos, free background remover credit, unlimited guests, remove background with artificial intelligence. And here you can use Simplified forever for free. And if you want more templates and more features, just you can level up for this premium plans, starter and team plan, okay? So let's go together to try this amazing platform, Simplify, to create some copies and for sure to create some beautiful posts on social media. And first of all, you have to sign up for free, okay? From that, sign up simply, and here you can insert your details like email, company password, and confirm password. So you can take for today a temporary email like that, copy, okay, that email, company, for example, Raymond, password, perfect, sign up, hint name of your company, Raymond, for example, create your workspace, simply, and here you are in the dashboard of your account on simplified.com. As I said before, you can create your social media posts, you can create some creative copies for marketing purposes, you can create video clips, you can publish all your posts on social media immediately, okay? So here you can start with generate copies, okay? Graphic design for making beautiful posts. Here create some video clips, and here you can schedule and post your social media posts. So we can try this one, generate copies, okay? And here you will find the three options. Artificial intelligence document editor. So here you can generate entire blog post, the long form writer, okay? And this feature is limited for premium users. And here you'll find two other options. Let's start with a template for marketing copies, okay? So we can explore this one, and here you can generate blog idea titles, blog introduction, blog outline, blog section completer, blog conclusion paragraph, for memes for different categories like cancellation, chihuahua, company bio, content rewriter, congratulatory email, confirmation email, testimonials, okay, Drake meme, express your feelings, as you see, for some marketing purposes like Google ads, for social media captions like Instagram caption, as you see, for pin agitate solution, persuasive bullet points, photo captions I said before, rejection emails, sentence expander, okay, some other types of memes like sleep and brain memes, social media quotes generators. It is amazing template for honestly speaking, as you see, survey email and so on, and a lot of these beautiful templates, including some for YouTube channels like YouTube video description, YouTube video tags, and YouTube video titles. So for example, if we try this one, like social media quotes, for example, just you can click over that, okay, and here in this template generate quotes. So here tell us about the topic or theme for quote. So we can write here something like the good man for this life, okay. For example, here you can insert some related keywords like man, successful, we can hard worker. For example, here we can add some like ambitious and something like that, okay, hard worker. Then you can click over this generate, and here this amazing platform gives you some amazing quotes regarding your keyword and regarding your topic. The good man is a friend of all living things. As you see, the good man is the man who, no matter how morally unworthy he may be, still tries to do right, and so on and so forth. And of course you can regenerate more of this amazing quotes, okay. So you can use these quotes for making your YouTube videos, for your marketing campaigns on your Instagram page, your Pinterest, and so on. So you can use these amazing quotes, okay. So let's go together back. Here you can try another one from this new document, okay. Go to playground, okay, and let's try this amazing option for artificial intelligence design generator. What that mean? Here you can generate your post and image regarding your keywords that you have inserted. For example, let's go together to design now, okay. With the help of artificial intelligence, it gives you an amazing photo regarding and related to your sentence, your topic, related to your keywords. So if we try this one, Chihuahua meme face, okay, create funny memes on painful scenarios. You will find a lot of memes. So here you can use this amazing option and this amazing category for creating a meme page on Facebook or Instagram and so on, okay. So we can try this template. Here you can add something like describe your scenario. For example, we can I failed in my driving test. For example, I failed in my driving test, so we can generate. It gives you an amazing meme, okay. As you see, when I failed my driving test, even though I am 25, and so on and so forth. So we can generate more, okay, to find your suitable meme. For example, this one, and here when you select one of these beautiful memes, you'll find this button will be activated, generate creatives, or generate pictures or images memes, okay. So we can click over that, generate creatives, and we'll find a new window will pop up with your desired image, okay. As you see, it's a funny image. And when I failed my driving test and had to get a ride home from my mom, as you see. Perfect. And of course you will find here some editing tools for this image or for this meme. As you see, set it as a background. You can erase, you can crop and clip, okay. You can add some filters and effects. Perfect. Here you can add some media, some other photos, vectors. So here you can upload your custom font. It's an amazing feature on simplified.com, as you see, okay. Perfect, to create an amazing and beautiful meme. Perfect. Now let's try together to make a beautiful post for social media content. So we can go back, and you can click over this one, new project, as you see. So you can create here a blog post, Instagram post, LinkedIn post for logos, YouTube channel arts, Facebook carousel ads. You can insert your custom sites from here. So we can search for Pinterest, for example, and your Pinterest post. So click over that, and here you can make your Pinterest pin from scratch, or you can get help from templates, done for you templates, as you see. So we can select, for example, for sale, for advertising, for travel and hospitality. So we can try this one for social media, traveling, for example, as you see. And of course, you can add here some effects, texts, your call to actions, your errors, and much more. And you can remove the background of your image. You can upload here your vectors, illustrations from the library of simplify.com, or you can upload your own from your device here in my assets, and so on. Okay, here you will find a lot of features that you can check out yourself. Perfect. And here you can export this template, download now, or publish on social media to your Pinterest account. Okay, and now you have known this amazing platform to create and write and design everything in one place and for free. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.